Hello everyone. Today I am going to present a map which is created by Dr. John Snow. It is a path-breaking innovation done in the field of visualization. I go through a phase which was said in the last class, picture is worth 1,000 words. And I truly admire it. I have recreated this map by using modern tools techniques like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, and most prominently D3 library of JavaScript. I have created this map. This particular map is an area of Soho district in London where cholera outbreak happened in 1854 due to consumption of contaminated water from these particular pumps on the map. I have created this map by using the coordinates provided by our instructor, Mr. Khairi Reda, in the JSON file. To fit myself, I have modified it into X and Y quadrants and L. X and Y quadrants gave me the point where to connect, and L gives me a path. So based on that, I have planted pumps on this map, which is again taken from pump.csv file. So overall, if I hover, as you can see, if I hover on this map, it will zoom in. I'll be able to zoom in, and if I hover out, it will be able to zoom out. To make this map more interactive and more data oriented, I have added a drop down box where it gives all the data of death people which died based on the age criteria and the gender criteria. As you can see, I have these many options in my drop down list which will give like all deaths, and based on age it's like 0 to 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 41, greater than 80, and based on gender, male and female. If I click male, it will give the record of data only males. If I click on like 11 to 20 age group, there are only some who died between 11 to 20. So it is more interactive. When I'm changing here, it is reflecting on my map. So this is background of the cholera outbreak in London, and even I have added a Google API to give more realistic image of the particular area. So with this, I can zoom into it on the particular area of London. It is more interactive. Moreover, on addition to this, I have created graphs to see the death ratio on a particular days. So this graph ranges from 20th August to 29th September, from the graph we can infer that on the 1st September there were a lot of deaths, like 143 deaths. When I hover on the point, it will give me the count. So with this, it will be very easy and knowledgeable one, and so to get exact data. So you can see here, wherever I hover, it is giving me a data of the number of people got death on a particular day. As we can infer from this graph, like from 30 August to 9th August, there were huge increment and huge increase in the death. So after after like 11th, there was a decrease, and most of the death happened between these 9 to 10 days of the period. And to give it a more insight about the situation of cholera in London, I have one more map which gives the death ratio based on gender. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3 will give you age based on the age, particular gender. This line gives the gender, like black, female will be the black one, and the blue will be the male. I can I can see it single, and I can see it dual also. So you can see this function here. So based on this visualization, we can infer like on total number of males died between the age group of 0 to 10. People like females 24 died between the age group of 21 to 40. So we can, with this graph, we can infer that. To get more insight about the project, you please visit the project video and to know have more project documentation. Thank you. Thank you once again to letting me this opportunity. Abba.